Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a stunning estate that boasts a magnificent and spacious home that is set on expansive grounds, offering panoramic mountain and distant ocean views that will take your breath away. Located in Sturge Town, St. Anne. The residence features generously sized rooms, including multiple living areas, large bedrooms with high ceilings, and well laid out kitchen with beautiful finishes. The property spans over 36 acres of lush landscaped land, great for large scale agriculture or a potential investor looking to develop the area. The property is approximately 10 minutes drive from Brownstown Center and 35 minutes drive from Runnaway Bay, St. Anne. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity to own a piece of paradise. Call to make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,250,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.